What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Home Business Academy if you're serious about joining. Now, I've been with the Home Business Academy for a while. I really love this company. It is one of the two companies that I really trust when it comes to, starting a home-based business or working from home or an affiliate marketing business that you can really, jump into and feel good about promoting to other people. Because even today, as well as I do, that there are a lot of, junk companies out there, people who really don't have your best interests at heart. Whereas with the Home Business Academy, we are all about integrity. We are about really helping you be successful in any way that we can. And that's why we have, early mornings calls Monday through Friday from, starting at 8 o'clock. And then at 10 o'clock Eastern time, we actually have meetings, traffic and convergence meeting, where top leaders come on and share with you and give you strategies that you can use and really help you be successful in your home-based business academy, home business academy. Okay. And I'm going to show you an image of one of the meetings that we have every morning. And you may recognize some of the people in here, because we really care about helping you and we want you to be successful when you join the Home Business Academy. Some people look at it as a side hustle, call it whatever you want. I call it a business. If you treat it like a business, then it's going to pay you like a business. But now I'm not going to promise you that you're going to earn anything inside of the Home Business Academy, because I don't know your effort. But if you're willing to put in the work and do what you have to do, I don't see a reason why you cannot be successful if you stick with it. So let me just drop down here in the corner. And then I'm going to show you, just an image of some of the people that are actually, that gets on these calls, that gets on these training Monday nights and every day, even Saturday morning. So let's go ahead on and drop down now. So as you see here, this is just an image shot that I took this morning. If you notice some of the people in here, you may know some of them, especially this one down here in the bottom. But these are just some of the people who are in the Home Business Academy. And so you're going to be able to come in and lock arms with us, where you're going to get help from everybody in this group. So that's what I have for you as far as this image is concerned. So let's go ahead on right now and get inside of how you can join the Home Business Academy today. Okay, so right now I'm in the back office of my Home Business Academy affiliate account. As you notice up here, you can see the income that I've earned with the Home Business Academy. This is one of the reasons why I'm going to get back into pushing the Home Business Academy, because with the Home Business Academy, there are 3 ways, that you can make bank. There are 3 ways you can stack bricks. There are 3 ways you can make money with the Home Business Academy. And I want to share them with you right now. One way is that you can sell the products. Now, the products are Let's Go. It's the HBA Funnel Builder. It's the HBA Premium and HBA Financial Literacy. So those you can straight up just promote the products, share the products, and earn an affiliate commission from the product. The second way is you can build sites for your other affiliate products. In other words, you don't have to just necessarily promote the Home Business Academy. If you're doing ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Explode, or you're in another network marketing opportunity, then you can build that around your particular business, even if it's an offline business that you have. It doesn't necessarily have to be online. So you can build it for whatever you want in that aspect as well. So that's number 2. And then you can create sites for other people, and sell it as a service. You can create sites for people who are in network marketing business, people who have businesses offline. You can create sites for them and earn a piece of the commission. Charge them whatever you want to charge them for that. And then with them joining you in the Home Business Academy, you're also earning affiliate commissions as well. So now you see here what I've earned so far with the Home Business Academy. But just to let you know, the commissions I'm earning is not typical. You're going to have to come in and do some work. That's why you see a disclaimer down in this corner as well, because I'm showing you proof, and we don't want the Home Business Academy to get in trouble with the FTC, and I don't want to get in trouble with them either. So this is going to be your affiliate center where you're going to manage your links. Okay, so let's look at the products. You're going to have the Let's Go. If I click on Let's Go, it's going to open up another tab. And this is the Let's Go app. So this is one of the products that you're going to get. With this, you're going to be able here, to come in here and get your day started right. Your superpower with greatness and things like that. You can see how it works here. Also power your morning routines, plan your day, goals made easier, and things like that. So that's what you get with the Let's Go app. So if we come back over here, you get the funnel builder. I'm going to look at the funnel builder in a separate tab here. We'll go ahead and look at it now. We'll look at the funnel builder. Okay, this is the funnel builder. You see this funnel that I've created here? You can create unlimited funnels inside of this funnel builder, as many as you like for whatever it is that you are promoting. That's totally up to you. You'll be able to come in here and choose from the many different, okay, if I go down here, add a new step, I'm going to show you all of the templates that we have over here that you can get access to right now for whatever it is that you're promoting. All of these templates, and this is just some of the templates. This is not all of the templates. You got templates from Amy, you got lead capture, you have thank you, terms, about us, you have link pages that you can create, book giveaways, webinars, and events, all of those, sales products, templates, order checkout, local business page. I talked about doing pages for local businesses. You can do that as well. Memberships and courses, you can set those up in here. Digital prosperity, all of these. You got Let's Go, okay, template. All of these templates you can get access to down here. I even have some in here myself, simple side hustles. If I click on that, I even have some in here myself, so I can set up some others in here that I can show you. All of these templates here you have access to as well. Okay, so this is the funnel builder. So you're able to do whatever you want, create whatever you want inside of the funnel builder. Also, it has, okay, where you can do look at it on phones as well here. Okay, so that's the funnel builder. You're able to build stores in here. You're able to see your contacts in here. It's a pretty simple drag and drop widget over here. You can style it the way you want to do it. Okay, your funnels, you can add URL redirects. Okay, your own autoresponder that you're using, get response, Aweber, whichever one you decide to use, that's totally up to you. So this is the funnel builder. Okay, so we come back, you have premium traffic and conversions. Okay, this is training that you're going to get every day. If you come over here to the live mastermind Monday nights, each Monday night, except it's a holiday, that's 8 p.m. Eastern time. Daily Grow Rich call is at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And traffic mastermind, that's the image that I showed you, okay, earlier right here. That's this right here, the mastermind we was on this morning. Okay, so you have that. You're going to have all of this, getting ready, everything that you need right here. You're going to have free traffic strategies here as well. You're going to have paid traffic strategies here as well, getting sales and conversions here, all of that in high value bonus trainings here. So that's one of the products. Financial Literacy Academy. Let me log back in. Financial Literacy Academy. Okay, you're going to get Financial Literacy 101, data elimination, reducing taxes, and guerrilla money strategies. Okay, then you're going to have your affiliate center over here, core affiliate resources, members frequently asked questions, all of that right there. HBA compliance, FTC, all of that right there. This is you're going to see this image down here in this video. So they give you that so you won't get yourself in trouble and won't get them in trouble. And you have the bonus vault. These are the bonuses that you're going to get as well. And I have some bonuses, some surprise bonuses that I am going to give you as well. So now, how do you get started? And then the live coaching. If you come over here, you see all of the live coaching and all of that right there as well. So how do you get started with the Home Business Academy? You get started with the Home Business Academy by, you're going to come to this website here. This is actually Funnel Builder. You're going to come to this website right here by clicking the link in the description. You're going to put your name and email here, okay? Then you're going to click watch the video. The next step in the process is going to take you over to this page right here. Just going to say congratulations, you're in, welcome. It's going to show your name here. It's going to show your name here. And you're going to click watch this video, okay? You can get a page just like this done for you if you want. I'll even create the page for you with your image here, okay? So you're going to click this button here. Once you click this button, it's going, if you notice over here, it says $25 into $3,000 per month plus per month digital business. Okay, I want to keep it congruent from here to here to here, because this is the next step in the process. After you click this button here, it's going to bring you to this page here. You're going to watch this video. Mike Hobb is going to explain the 3K formula to you, and then it's going to give you all of this information down here, how you can join the Home Business Academy. When you are ready to join, you're going to click this button right here, okay? You're going to click here to join. Once you click here to join, it's going to take you to this page right here. And on these pages, you're able to put your images on the checkout pages now. You're just going to read and see everything that you're going to get right here. You're going to come over here, put in your information, your contact information, your billing information, your payment, how you want to pay, the card, okay? And you can unlock your earning potential with HBA Premium. Try it free for 2 weeks. I highly suggest that you do that by ticking this box right here with the understanding that it's going to be $125 monthly starting in 2 weeks. You can get the Let's Gold app as well, which is $10 monthly. Normally would be $47. You can add that to your order, but you're still only going to invest. Okay, today's total going to be $35. Okay, and if you tick this box right here, it's just going to be $35. But if you don't want the Let's Go app, you can untick it, and it's only going to be $25, with knowing that premium is going to start in 2 weeks. So you have 2 weeks to come in on the training. You're going to click that right there, and you're going to click complete the order to get access, and then you are inside of the Home Business Academy. Once you join, I'm going to send you an email. You're going to get some emails from the Home Business Academy themselves. We're going to get added to the group so we can start getting you in on these training. My contact information will be below in the description as well, and my phone number will be above this video as well, where you can go ahead on and get started and join the Home Business Academy today. Step into success, okay, by joining the Home Business Academy. Click that link in the description. Make sure you follow the steps that I showed you in the video. I look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.